Is your mobile data turned on, but the internet is still not working on your Android phone? Try these fixes in order. Now, open Settings. Tap Network and Internet, Connections, SIM Manager, or SIMs. The name may be different depending on your phone. Select your SIM card and make sure Use SIM and Mobile Data are turned on. If you use two SIM cards, make sure the correct SIM is selected for mobile data. Next, check your preferred network type. Open your SIM settings and look for preferred network type or network mode. Choose an available option such as 5G or LTE that your mobile carrier supports. If nothing has worked, reset your mobile network settings. Open Settings. Tap System. Tap Reset Options. Then choose Reset Mobile Network Settings or Reset Network Settings. Confirm the reset. Finally, check for a software update in Settings. If mobile data still does not work after all these steps, contact your mobile carrier. They can check whether your SIM, mobile data plan, or network service is causing the problem. That's how to fix mobile data not working on Android. Subscribe to Kiba Creative for more simple Android fixes.